Thig Na Seansálaithe mas muin seans bhacu blociad na Seansálaithe me sé Hugh me Gaeltachta agus tá bre sestibéid arás le an seo dá Eagrán fi sé don Eagrán dearna don Daonáireamh Sraith don na Seansálaithe ach ná bhí in York mar bébid rás cin cucis, but just le Steve seo an cin dearna dá an Sraith seo. Tá mar is gré an seo le mo chuid cóleachaithe mo chuid cairde ar dúsbuir tá seo le Áine bhuair. Áine, tíimar tú?
Tá mé go mhaid tá mé an bhródú lasan. Sraith Críoch na hegan. Ní creidir mé.
Is san álaí na phodchraoladh muidirnis is like fear, you know.
Higlinn ar an maithreú na Seansálaithe go na Seanálaithe.
Yeah, higgling. Na nílan branding mar an ggéarna, you know, I don't think we'll think Gary Éist le dinge well I secu faoi ahan le rod think bear lag Éist le tree just like agus sin, and that is the need that we satisfy sin an aim atóging no tá go fáil na Seansálaithe sílam agus in sin fásta le James ó Fláthir de James tíimar tú?
Come on. Yeah, just recovered on the seachtainí bheith so you get a you know me in a chuile chéile but yeah atam da come on happy ook with Raidió bunach tíochtú a close that's an caiiciis rest agus rejuvenation this way I think they níos muiscéalt allach an níos tá nearcéasta ceas when we get that these éis caiiciis being out of is
Image glowing again and cookish la sauce like be like the Greg Lear like in me here be you know being the wrinkles in me here will be so rested and rejuvenated. Sinna flan anyway. Sinna flan. Mar dus the video seachtainí gríthe agus a video seachtainí gríthe agin a lake. Sheila. What do you call it? James could you yarn to the video seachtainí because we you know Hockland genu reunion booked on the Seansálaithe a bhí just get a gríthe could you give it the enu.
Yeah, we should busy. Bhí ma dús de Satharn ar maidin bhí cluthe go AFL agus bhí sé sin go leir a chus smú go lá so bhí hartar so I ráil chuig go cluí ag rin lei and then bhí barbecue an na dhé ach sin bhí stag ma cho chuig freisin who's a Westport so bhí bóla skipú dhé agus go suas agus basically just jump on tíosteach I goal ar a buinte land am agus Westport hí na boys mó goal hána ó teachla ar maidin so bhí se chuúach like the hero so bhí no time to waste anyways so bhí just jump on tíosteach
That's it. Sílam an duine a bhfuil ag an méid mó stags ag an like násom sa dinge bhí eile atá ag dul ag beidir go rud le gaileh ag gohain se pásta le rileog.
No, well, my bad. Tá mis mar anomaly denne.
He always the stag, never the groom.
Yeah.
Early Rodrigan get to bug romansúil dit irihan stag seo.
Well, ní some romansúil. I just thought it was absolutely hilarious. Like that. Shock remember him going to get funny so much got but then
humble brag. Yeah, it's just hilarious.
But then it seemed like just Dalún we just the utmost fear of me all read as like actual tickets on my like so we are more than the boys agus didn't want to come lads I go for a teacher cat agus the Áine Colleen we fado lá ar chéad phodchraoladh seo dús má go chum mar DM-ig den kis. Áine garí seo chum mar DM-ig. Ceag leor? Ach den chum is ráis dús go sé gur picture a eice. Dús sé grand go mar seacha picture dal dochar. Ach sin so we could have a running joke on aniche ar éige. Ach den lá Chod ik mis was dat ag hotels being Towns Popper. You know what? It's got craic like we must go to goal each room late I don't know. So chumis ag mar so much clear for the funny a hall go niche I guess I just could was that dus bad like fuck you Leo can one your Leo turbo son machine how some because you got cherry ball chin do my you know what give my let's say grand for a cottage your samskrish exclate skip so skrif macht dus maar wat te zien gaan niet bollen maar uit toch nu de koffie de rutgiet lekker shames ook en dan wie een popper aan is gewoon een picture kan popper een keer ach dus misschien was hij geleerd zo running joke liest wie aan escalate als hij lief dus maar wie moet seachtainí I feel like a monologue dus dan zo ach wie moet seachtainí as Carl Mart agus Vimsralische taxi man just my joke he's a back bus like we said then the lad said look you know just raw gotta stop at post office if you raw I think there's man like 20 times I'm just what I want after we just couldn't go it this next you know we must get so so stop us a pub in Leonan ach sure we pub back shop ik zie dus een lazem I bet the post office and not version dus maar dus van op cirkel kon niet een envelop gestampt hebben
oh
we should have een envelop gestampt
Tá seo an malach ag an galín seo is.
Yeah just actually like so then for an envelope stamp kom maar zeggen Stila Masusa dog maar de bar in a pizza she like her go like niet zo na als niet address a bit like just toss some general area or assy John the other kind of lads we shall go Aaron ferries a has a stint who's like what's elle so it's we and why again Autriche like then we and get a college or some as in address again so address it's from a multi postbox on Hamajaha still malum yeah safe to say we hard beter like should have a generous romhainn I say grow 1% chance message or back with Raidió is the session just destroyed
She'll why to restraining order by to other be
well I wrote the mission better you know the 1% of good the tax rash atnis ta chuig fan gave chance go to litter a rash is the supposed you know go way to
basically good
the litter a way to which is the course
so basically we can all just running so hostel and just raw or couldn't picture it at wall this is my grad and then just develop on a joke yeah just piece of crack but yeah the there's a card of meals how many is
well that didn't be tag Éist on this I think we'll rud away the full shot agus sinne go chartage criú her James like the stag because you veil so good jay the huntarlu
I think it's been a fall means like you know invited fishing to be honest this is so loose cannon man
comedic relief
yeah
designated punching bag
well ní dóinm grow deir seachna có exciting lei sin ag Hugh agus mé
no I mean the hocat really a buluma a big screw litter Thig ag banach agus in sin fanatar
leis a galín probably is mú a hangedom kom daúna ein chuí bu is term gorgéis blast country music is ideal agus so is just to get over in the situation we got right like on anyways
Kaiti fall raid on preemptive breakup like ní harla like you few in the Gaeltachta agus but they're flying to in Seachtainí then Kaiti you know Frank Ocean Shani Mugud you know James Blake na dingisner fad
Laura Leonard
oh yeah sorry yeah
Frank Ocean Noel sadly should break up song is fair real Queen in the dream era
sure look da in geest aan gaan schachten eigenlijk zo fitter als zeer sterk so ik wil maar go let sit oh der in geest die wenn man dan go goal met als in geest dan so
yeah
Just mám, ar learned chu a full blast agus driver she's go por degus mé chamach nari.
Well, it's now when you put just to let a Kayama's thinking. Yeah, no, Neuro Jerry Shark go fin. I think Jerry Shark need jazz again, and yeah, need much red not for
And jazz.
The Mishuhus in Galib, la hai Cogun the Gummon, that thing BV in Shingrmin as Octavadlin, from on Criú as Áine Anla, V has Dara, Áine, Donley, as there at more ear Viclane and run the fire actually vi si more lost art there vi me more canara.
Okay.
Yeah, because the blas intaki and Ken Gaeltachta le tastal hig that should be níos fair. Ach yes, when my Swiss like Cogan the Gumman agus sin Dan ma la Áine so I think hig ars the nail and it's nar ro mis on Chi rivet.
Ní credum sin.
Ní bhím chuiche in gáileh though. I think of mission thing away is in all that meaning in gáileh like 100 shocking it. Because it's been a handling issue.
I thought something on other.
Nabri.
I much brew her Hugh bogu go galú.
Yeah.
Cén dóigh go féidirlinn éilech hurt. Caiimiid an mion sin a chuir seachtainí sin goil galú níos fearr na bailile clia.
Oh no, like craic, like craic, I mean, the McCree seeing Alif like the lamb, we might Alif the Ammer Doigum, la upper now, like could be Rodella, yeah, just the upper hand and my like clear. A badger, that's so good, my current of Gaelor brewer, or anything yet.
Satauki.
Badger Bay hype house by Googling.
This like gargat cars in chuig.
As bheith mu abtan phodchraoladh hafid le chéile sem móán.
Yeah.
Sure, that Robert's the honey like yella. Hogling genu phodchraoladh fi criú just to
live stream.
Oh, bitch, I cost a big brother because much likes the chat like yella. Oh,
bitch,
we should definitely ban this with the been a camera mission laughed at in the look, I think. Yeah.
Nive think be a garker gee like logger margin go to the chart in the wallet as the and then just bitch in the viewership just peek out to us or whatever and then you guys back out. Good day to Huntarlu, they're talking to just a chat. Like genuine the fry ups to let all to
I'm gonna hiatus you are going to like didn't be sorry like friggin' father as you got a goal.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Give me your to James. A Hamish Shog.
Ner Jarnsha how you
alias Viam, so you like based on the Moxaki actually gave you up.
I think it was Finish.
I know that's 100%. Yeah, just actually very, very clear maybe on.
Their Jaron James hiatus Killian Shaw like fi or shin hiatus father I mean again tax Alex the goal come on Mark James Bach Neil James for alcoholic I think be just
no just go mach he's cluhy agus ag stags agus them absolute cack in
Mars cart Neil Amberbeanie's Friday and in that stag but the I guess some damage to the hat and that has to like co-jazz like a learn the camera.
Ní ar hin go sé jazz
jazz le bheith like tá handy
tá sé an lárnach tá sé lán le taiseacht agus mód like caiig nachfuil caiidean ro ard agus Hugh mai hiúnta go sé jazz
le cohex fi mission the honey and charmer gan fanneag le yeah blian so
what tá sin cos le prison
yeah fi ma prison no
Shakara Hugh, it's in the method acting. Maybe I get it more Harry Potter.
Yeah, exactly. I think how much Harry Potter specs I'm in that film actually. The Mashan Fair Glenny the what do you call this? Kirkland and the Kenny Togmanish So ar an clas a Harry Potter in their current
Oh my god rinne me dearmid ar na spéicli sin.
Yeah, agus me se bí tagéis ag le éil ar an fisin ar YouTube an specs appeal tugam sinna fachas fearlam na bh chuirsí ar gluní. Ach cadidir capú don ihe má aine bhí crackar dóigm sílam. Bhí
crackar dóigm tá sé gcóí jazzpúú le daoine eile síl na Gaeilge chuir mé aithnar cúpla duine uair so sprála mé,
Aine Seán ó mé chéan.
Mary Nicormac a dhéanaan so it seems well bhí teachtarachtaí beidir chutha go mar Instagram heici hanach níor bhfuil mé riú le hí gceart. Iad an cum Gaelach in gáiliú ionach agus tá si dá passionanta as a déna go leor ar san natanga so si daspúla le gcónaí.
Bhí dúirt mar seo le seán fásta ach siadm is síl na Gaelachta an méid sin parasocial relationships ag ahananne. Leanan muid a le i cheala agus tá muid leor le cheala má chuann daoine rudí suas bín tú le chuanna teachtarachtaí tackle whatever. But níor bhfuil má le seán don ceidir ach an sinnar go deir seachtainne.
Yeah, ní rosa gom grom mé fiú actually. Bhí me actually leanan seán hena hin. Agus chuir tú in aithne du é an hí sin agus níor chuir me dóó le chéile churbe as cum bhhaile as dark mé do scéil Instagram a chéad leile as. I was like, oh wait, me actually a leanúint agus sé sin mó leanúint go mai.
So should an darna ócáid in frisin bhfuil a bird agus sé an agus ní mis.
Well tá céin locht atá sin.
Tú sé busy.
Tá grindset aá aine.
Cá sé mis pensá a seach.
Busy chur teachtarachtaí eisteacha ag chalíní.
No, bhí sin mar páirsta ruí eile in fairness tá. Tá James ionta mai hiag le James sinnaíanú chuigine second MPS messages per second. Tá ionta mai genú sin. Ach bín tú gcónaí gríthe so caiim.
Well look ní chun mis eistechan mis just ge bh romáú mis ge bháile.
Ja se chun aiste scrú.
Sinna get a chuirsteir.
Mar dús bedóna ní chuirú leram na gluoch le gohan, so chur me leid.
The James a gar bheith cos le Ryan Gosling's notebook sinna rud a gar dhéanú scrú má litir thugad ahanana le.
No, bheith ceann bháil noch an anyways, but yeah, exactly. The inspiration is in Ryan Gosling. Sin
inspirad mai.
Yeah.
So actually co grammar fast because nerve women ma whenever you chart them all over never miss chart them all anyway what is a rashma and rashma hige rushing through
come hains Hugh took a shahar and tolog agus an sin coin rashma. Vi sé liar an tolog lenne snack box o Supermax vi sé lásasta lei sin.
Agus vi ma intasasta vi se Supermax an gáileh agus Supermax mar lé goham an defriil sinna a term tugamsa. Ach never mit Supermax céir bhmuid lá ach dó chuid chuirde tí de James, so hánig muid literally aning it in the phony in chat James. Shahas James.
Yeah.
Ro tú get bhil ru tú saltín ar chuní tú an picture lachmuid le a chuirde tí.
Go honest, rima jam go akama busy dalú because you might kinda like moda donation so
oh yeah
vi go lora bonam da don like my brand kluhi is so it's in jam the glory but I wish I could ask though I think worship was called the today Tá sé níos hópa dó leis chéadú eile bheits like má bhíonn túring ag ócáid níos go bhú go mé chun ará like oh my god a James John I stuck a bit was actually doing wrong. He's a fuck legend.
Is this like a mystery partner that this like in you higning even full action on higning if you're right and be like oh this isn't thing in that chain of ma and go miniction shade 5 now could chain to a ma Rovinik.
Wouldn't even real though. This could just figment of your imagination.
Oh, bet you're like AI too in the really like the Carmage ahan ahan písa stereotype da an gáilh is dehan duine bhhain si riomhre agus just chuid maitha agus cruimiid James ó Flaharta lá
AI an leach iscíomh.
AI le pan agus pepper sin rud lein atá ógad. But yeah, nó le chuidir déanais be jabal í mór má le cheile féil na galí nar atá sin fógria an airachtas fásta agus dá duine bí géisiart tá na seaamraí ar fáilnis sin so dá an gleanígal má tá tú i cuairtú san cead deir seachtain na mí saona.
Just come and ship a pencil staff.
Oh yeah, Kaitu. See, Sean with that James. Kaitu a book all star. Shavy. Yeah, Kaitu.
Agus sin lá rih nóáid der se á actually tá clíthe go mar lásin. Ní bheith má tá bhean.
Is there a version like these was following me my current message tick shot because they need hope when my lantastal in Mainland stay that like bleed we were like raw. What's an good date 2023 please. Fára 20th 2023 Tá free time
a walk tú an fi sin cumnig go na fi sin le Billie Eilish ag sí genú cur she's like Jenan she can le Vanity Fair a hanna le bblion like séidir seachtaigh music de cinan agus dúirtí nar ag túsan bliana go bhfuir sí an féidir a omlan dan blian like tá dhéhil san EJ or whatever sin James ag túsan blian le a hanna le cluiche agus a hanna le stag agus a hanna le Cóisir mór tá teacht sin tusa ach so is tusa Billie Eilish na Gael Sheelam James
Tá talinn ghfuil go am again an tafan seo an teachtain.
Yeah.
I know.
Truly #blessed. More shit. Well, it can't be #blessed. Urker Shane. Oh, Urker Shane. The Keller All War. Har Jar Seachtainí. Raidió na Gaeltachta. Chuig blian. Dísh. Anish.
Kelly what #blessed. Now Corstach could see Raidió na Gaeltachta.
Mar tá muid banithe gohfuil stáisiún radio commáisiún agan.
Yeah, agus ascailach, sinna, #bless.
Tá is go mín na héana is Hugh an radio radio na Gusto am gá mar.
Yeah.
Agus go le James.
Yeah.
#self-promotion.
Freelancers.
#success. No, but that's like the what do you call it? Inta Michael service version of me. Well,
dus volgens de gluch. Dat is je van gluch niet. Wat is dat? Goed.
Still, kaitu dollars a korte.
Yeah.
Oh no, toen je busy on je.
Shouldn't fly away. Not me. Like sorry, need me any lesson. Brown arm, put the clehiogum. No, but we'll aim like really, we'll aim like giving you a good specific da raising the odds to shiv west like to rushivigate shirtlish. Back in the day.
Louis Michel at the Satharn the Armhain as couple Danella in Morang vi in Sraith a hafid for can you ride na Gaeltachta na vi mes van school vi actually na Sraith picture an artist can an duine a leo mac mar sam mar hapla doine agus bhuaim mu dúis náisiúnta so bhí sin le can ó muoinehan ó chun é chlár.
Ínta mai.
Sin cuimhnú deas atá gomsa.
What do you call it? Take care for James and Rutasur ar an mic ravina will Claire be meeting tour at this meet your raid in the Gaeltachta.
I know, like we should go near edge itself, like name of also yesterday. So the cream, the memories that's about. Remember dissertation in Maastricht, the Raidió na Gaeltachta. Groting as much answer, we should go on. We should go on. But I heard the smooth on sports, like smart like sports. Gaudy and Urta, Chiaro gamers. Éist shears got to that. They figure out Cecha seoite bhí man cecha más ma. Ma bhí na commentators is amachchas dúirú donna so just cos master now but yeah sports is happening sports donna I think been really sure on the amachchas like see the goal though sports is just go seach law like so
agus ceol mai tan ceol ar Raidió na Gaeltachta ítach mai ceol tradiisiúnta
An
tequila tíre.
Tequila tíre.
Sé hí sé chun a dú sa chlog.
An sibse an rud gen chile se goir gen mhair se goir in rud nar tan nuachtar siúil ag le a híanalog nach bhíú na dálog agus sin sin se le scéaltaí na tuiscirt na agus ché le ééis tú scéaltaí tuiscirt an then se le scéaltaí níor an aíonn tú station like
Well, yeah, but obviously Mohamed's in an opposite Mohamed's like no you have to near and then it's initial tuiscirt. Yep. Yeah, do the option Hugh Jr. please.
Come sa fuck it a tarlú full cara.
Hey.
Yeah.
Sure, sugar an nócht té nócht bhánna ó tá kinder edit a go ran a feriste. Oh. I think honestly chorne weet u is heel nog wel dat ik Hugh go maar kinderen you dalte aan de venster.
It's an actually chain the goats or font shouldn't actually change tagging should freed the holly
the mission nach what even and like close sour edit in as steed.
No,
it's just around the finish
Lurgan Nelson go me exploder near Hollama over for you.
Well, could you tain Hugh came cuivnu no swinús tá sfar got atágat ó radio na Gaeltachta.
Tá yeah then you do at like synonymous le radio na Gaeltachta and can say agus chance go mar gal go das dunaal agus chance mar gal go das becantrain at the bar tá yeah then you nar swinú radio na Gaeltachta Ronan McAwee agus Mary Aggie sinna yeah then you go homeland there's mediums are like na ruddies fair a tagging or radio and the ruddy too much like okay me shagoni Goni Ronan McAwee agus Mary Aggie the cymnu gum fast vi Pisa or Claire the Ronan agus yoicha like Shanding sha so like Shanding is encounter which I like Jimmy very cutie as naha blian de ish could be that shaw agus mis go her casture gin Gaelic atá ar condom nach cén Gaelic atá ar like roach na rudí lohu seo or like really like X-rated rudí agus bit like agus go capú nus go bhla Gaelic ar like fanny flutters na rudí mar sin
actually ho biased.
Of course
as doing all synonymous go radio na Gaeltachta.
But look,
Kieran O'Farta, Sean Bon Branach, agus Martin, Tom, Goat, Johnny. He's even up for debate, man. He's even up for debate.
Dúsa is Ronan McAwee gur mama gona géir mééis leis, cos gras man níos gon chlár is bhí sé géir an blas gona gála bhegum. A gcóí chuir sí Ronan McAwee siúil, is bheith na héon seán na clachtú. Méhéns mo dheair clachtú an dó dhearanse ifricha gom frid le sáile, so dhearach sé goí nemhní seart.
Mas geí fall sagháil leis nemhí seart híadá trí.
Go frid náide secht.
Yeah.
Sin ná sé dul mé mo blas ulta.
Caiimiid ar fástanis go se luúteogaí caiimiid cuair just ra le Seán Bon Bratna ag géirí as an fástanis ina chuig a trí blian ar an bhád caiimiid shoutout gas a chuirtá.
Should we get replacements
glad sé dhéanana le haid chuig a blian James ag glad a bhéh mar
yeah 100%.
Cén rud is fearr le tú ó héh an obertá agenta go chuine radio na Gaeltachta tú hain.
Cai se bheith leire. Shout out
the Blaira.
Shout out the Áine, the Pauline, the Damien.
Sin na goats. Is Janie in my door.
Absolutely. Lick asses. Lick asses.
Lick asses with this cardigan would low.
Oh, just in case that wishes them with the euro back. Oh my god.
Just either stop with us cardigan low.
Yeah, all moms have called her going.
Can grind static James. Can grind static James. Neil ige. Kind of right. No, gone out and stuff le blay like fi me and sin on Daonáireamh. Yeah, on Daonáireamh a bhí sé ar an bhád. So inta bradal as a number agus a crack le Áine an seachtain. Agus fásta like just hook shell line. seachtainí tú agus taithí tú so agus seansa dul seaasta studio donna brach in bailach lia although ní téim se níos mó but yeah no absolute legends careful aine gin stuff her ó tú mid mó broad las
well hin an rud go arsúla gom fi láthir bí me genú mí na má áúil le túsáte or sa bhí le fach nó driscoil agus tá sénta bheith gobar le snéadniuúlachan tá si ina bhean álinn tá si cósound agus a gcóí an cáir agus gí chuidú lehanana agus tá sé just an deas bheith gobar leis an airan thug san sin tá duna rad na Gaelta cósound ní dólam go bhfuil mé le mar an daoine náhfuil an jazz a sin
James
Go cléile sin
You know what, James? How can the Seansálaithe be bay or rated the gas line chart? So you know, no, or could be road. Oh my God! I guess James came part as far the stuff of Yen Virginia.
What's it get? Just not that ear.
Yeah.
You go Rogo. You go. Oh my God! I love Áine restaurant. I love Raidió Gaeltachta. I love Martin Dampioni. I love you guys. Look.
Sorry, just Thursday and Chin, Martin Tom.
Yeah.
Martin Dampioni.
Yeah. Right. You're not going to ride like to Christy and then just like quick bombacho hunters to Grapay and goat. So.
Oh yeah, she but like you were gonna hard to draw. Oh, the whole door meet up at Raidió Gaeltachta sound. Look at this person actually. Look at.
Sin dahi.
Yeah, sin dahi.
Hey, níim sure nach hoise the look sound just like.
Yes. Tá muid leor fi ceile a chuig go bhíon rad na Gaeltachta.
Sorry, a walkish of again Kjálkarm Garnarna shid version orchestral don drawing
talk
crazy. Like Sinead peak in Gaelic in Mahurmsa. That is Sinead Rudd is.
Yeah, I don't look in Thomas with them.
On Daus was si Sean Rudd to Daus different in Ahan Gaeltachta.
So yeah.
So Kai de Kurma in Run of Farstons are basically like a Macarena. Shin and Daus and Yan.
Oh really?
Yeah, so like la boss going tone heen da tree car shasama chunky heart la boss fun space. Oh no, ring mission Macarena or free infrastructure. You know,
the whole costlish.
The whole costlish.
Just think I'll meet it.
Say yeah, should be some Áine.
Well, Nisha costs Macarena anyways. So like rhythm on forward back and then go to ooh
100%.
and then yeah session one sure.
So the way not go aquaction be James and linketr kind of go a bulu
toin
and a cali nasachor.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
yeah, not a new Irish pendulum, you know, Shaw Boyer pendulum, Sean Bunda, agus, you know, and Fuma and pendulum, a hand change of heart. Ooh.
Shepherd didn't King's Max Mahora be read says, just the full cheese.
And you're not shift about that different and you know can lagging down than drawing in your shift.
Bhín lagging cé ógam grow tusa Jenna Carshi sound kind of a lame con tusi is sheer.
Himish groshin just him a grosha different either a handle like cost just our himish grosha like you know ke individual or ke einer either a hand kin.
Sheelan beidir go óla me é ó col cathracha sa túisceart.
Sinné.
So I go home on different he's a geary. I think which is in the cartwheels today.
Jen and Sheds and they it's like a bonus skin, you know, Jen and today, you know, Tasha should get bond because because you know Sean, Jared
being 10 seconds hearing first month and my time difference.
That didn't be as scary as I guess Shaw. Neil Bronarn, Neil. Shas.
Gadaro Kennedy, Farad interviews at Raidió Gaeltachta.
Just Lion Legends.
Yeah. Fadon Law nor Vima Ragado, the picture of Daro Kennedy, Sam McGuire.
Ooh.
No.
Just. What do you call never the gasser bug?
My bug.
Never the bug. James Bug. Seamus Og.
Seamus Og, yeah.
Go leisca an taim ceart le art. I can't be ruddy satauki. Actually, you're Russian the but we're just gonna segue to much glue.
Definitely sustained.
Yeah, definitely sustained. Go home man, sustained actually. So come on. It's come on. It can't be stare. Shouldn't come on. Boom. Consensus. Chill. That'd be Magu Armstead. That'd be Jenny Magu or much still in a segue. Consensus was a Salinte Mahagov or Fad.
Oh.
Could you hear of Shasta time capsule?
Chuig mahéint moam kind of bonusach leor ach scream with cheer gan anam.
Scream and rub Kieran.
Yay! Agus yearshiv a worship an arm true Gaelge.
No, because Hannick Jean Chasha. Misha Neil Ach.
Oh, we are an earta special to Hersta. In need of chocolate and lagin bear Veer ear who chatrash le form tree Gaelge.
Yeah. Neil
Niroshi draw hostaf we.
Girl Arnie Smo Obery.
And bloody Gaelgors.
Oh my god. No Neil Ach Mahane agus Birch Alice chat. I mean like it was master shisher so ring with Jay and Merla. Dirk Mishid Markama, Lorm Gaelic Ahamle, Team Muitan, Course Jazz. Lorm Mega Hinta. Tan Gaelic is Fargum, Stone. Carmation she's my fast, we just Kirsty's my fast, we should just GL or Falkler in the Gaelic, shouldn't know the one you Janum. Care the time capsule, James.
Komische bonus of questions, there's my mess with all Ireland could take mail falls.
She don't get any danger in the hair and the conscience.
It's where Yalger Kyle Meo, Jerry shocking it. So we share Incan and the Dinnet. So the Arhu Yanu, like Haiti.
Kid Blaine, so Kid Blaine says Tauchi. Yeah, Nisha Galarotas. So I'm actually happy now for my Galaka.
Shinna Rud is fair for you now. Become just screw into one because Neil to the Akel. Neil Yanis at the Furby. Ken Rud, it's coming between Star, now between the Glunus our gore. Mata Glunus our gore. Shinna Rud screw actually just start my the Sudagum Gerlain thing you saw. Shinna Rud screw ma. Sheelam Gabe Shinne. Snappy Margarm. I swear a riv so shot Gallad even is again cookish big Jerry for looking done phodchraoladh. Shouldn't flan at when the glock in the air.
No. Ní would you gear there? Been would you mag a footach? Ní would really gear there.
Okay. Montage of Kencha. Okay. Because Mr. Ray like all shasta, it's a booth because they screw like shocking, a handle fade, different fader Greg me added on Jerry, but no, can you Jamerson? Actually, Gabishine. Mila Mike was up the vacation le na Seachtainí a reach don a fi show were to great again Eagrán Shaw Hannah Fane. Agus let Jerry and Dara Sraith row will which of Sassus and Sraith Shaw, which of which of broad Alyssa and made the gentle going Gadisha.
Sheelam grow Gerbe book fincha kincha an e-kainture ínta líanaí warchu a bheith ar an tra. So beidir méid chuid níos mó de sin chat sa céad sraile.
Beidir dropping hints, Beidir Careful to James what do you call it tin book funch of yoga to the and Sraith Shaw.
He ain't freaking letters and she of many is that. I say just a strong one. Pizza craic on, but lipstick Satharn. It's in the taffels, backhands, the most cards. It's all more on that. The soon come in with the cancer is moved Dini, if it's not scale to Granver in seachtainí céad sraile, and not Homse, it just is skill or remain. Yeah, one of the things man is contrasted, it's still more céad sraile.
bhí commission mai. Well, be marrás ag gin cook seile so ná bí éagláh go mé be marrás le haid Eagrán fi seacht ar an sin sean sin de nu níle so ar nach le go leis so be marrás ar an fiad ar le Eagrán comúir. A go dtí sin is féidir long amsú ar na seanslaí ar Instagram, na seanslaí ar Twitter agus na seanslaí ar YouTube agus lecail fi an gáanta seo. Dar go éana gáanta go lecail much gluní actually much gluní Harry Potter bhí mar caiú. Mu gur Áine amsú ar na main hosta ar anywhere ar Instagram agus anywhere ar TikTok agus anywhere ar Twitter. Mu gur James amsú tá se ar Fáilte ar Twitter, Fáilte ar Instagram agus Fáilte ar TikTok. Na German don phlegm agus tú type na agus mas gaiir ména amsú tá se a Hugh here ar Twitter, Hugh here ar Instagram agus just gra Hugh car ar an TikTok agus sin gomission bhfuil ein rodile ein chattar eile go gaiimiide a rintemánis so ar chéimiid Hugh gus chéimiid a hallú le haid cucis.
Ní dóil an ghfuil be marrás le sra níos smó agus níos ládra as níos crackáilte i g an caiiciise.
Sraith baby. Sraith baby.
Ma bhí mis I chun éon seachtas legaí please aberlum go tí del mé.
agus cur screenshots le há mí such Claire. There was in a green screen done rud seo there's James the chat my heart. No gur mí mai give us figéisi agus go libh ráisiéis le haid Eagrán a fi seart na seansaí na Sraith. Sraith fucking tree man. Be marrás lei Sraith again cup seachtain. So a go dtí sin gur maigad agus lein.
Gur maigad.